most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeron.
Well, I hope you all had a great weekend. It was kind of split down the middle, right? Saturday was gorgeous, just a great day. Yesterday, not so great, but it did bring us some much-needed rainfall. And those showers are lingering around this morning. Country Club of Harrisburg is wet, a tenth of an inch of rain. Now, that's just today's rain. Yesterday, many places getting over a half inch. You know, I was a little dubious of how much rain we would get on Sunday when we last spoke on Friday, but I'm glad to see that many places did in fact get over a half inch of rain yesterday. It was a good, solid, healthy amount of rain. A little bit more this morning, 59 and 59. Your temperature in Dew Point and New Bloomfield, hence the rain. About 0.13 of an inch so far today. And the big winner happens to be St. Pat's School in Carlisle, 60 degrees, about a quarter of an inch of rain. And remember, that's just today. That's just since midnight. Does not count yesterday's rain. So some decent amounts already this morning. Chambersburg, the borough facilities there at about 0.2 of an inch as we start in the 50s, a little over a tenth of an inch at Mercersburg Academy. The rain yesterday in the gauge at the airport, almost 0.9 of an inch, just shy of an inch of rain. That's great. Cut our deficit down to about 6 inches. That's still a lot, and this is not going to do a lot to, again, just stop all the drought concerns. But we only hit a high of 65 yesterday, and the rain coming at a good time between two separate dry spells. One last week and another one setting up this week. So a few lingering showers in the wake of some heavier rain toward Philly. We've got a few more showers falling right now over our region. They will be exiting, though, and it does look like it is going to be a pretty nice day. Let's take you back through yesterday, and you can see just huge swaths of rain moving through the area yesterday. Most places at least got some, but not everybody got a lot. The rain continues here overnight last night and into early this morning, now weakening and exiting. So a swath from Franklin County right up into Cumberland County, parts of York County, up into Dauphin County, getting a decent amount of rain. And that area right here getting almost an inch of rain. Franklin County, western Cumberland County, the region as a whole, though, averaging below a half inch. So again, it was nice to see it. We still need more. Temperatures in the low 60s this morning, 58 in Chambersburg. This is much warmer than yesterday when we had clear skies, by the way. We're about 10 to 15 degrees warmer. So there goes the front. It has yet to work its way through. And when it does, we will clear out. It is going to be breezy here as the front leaves us behind over the next couple of days, but it's also going to be sunny and dry. Really a pleasant stretch setting up in the wake of the rain. So we had the rain yesterday, now a chance to dry back out. And you can see it may take till this afternoon. There's still going to be a few clouds around, even a shower. I can't rule out a pop-up shower this afternoon, but it should be dry from here on out. Tuesday looks nice, sunny, temperatures in the low 70s, and then Wednesday, not looking too bad either here. A lot of sunshine and temperatures getting into the 70s once again. A little bit of a breeze from the northwest, not only today at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but also tomorrow, the next couple of days. But it's going to be a refreshing breeze, that is for sure. A couple of things to point out. The extended outlook showing you temperatures will be pretty seasonable here this week. Check it out. We've got highs in the 70s. The average is 77. We're going to be right there. Real quick, tropical update for you. We've got Nigel now. It's a Category 1 hurricane, and this thing, luckily, is not going to hit land. But I'm going to point out something before we wrap up here. Notice that's just going to go out and go into the northern Atlantic. But watch what happens by the end of the week. The week looks dry. Notice we have some coastal, almost tropical-like moisture here for Saturday night and Sunday. This is going to be our next chance at some more significant rain heading into the end of the weekend and next week. Something to keep an eye on. 76 today, partly cloudy, a stray shower. Most of us stay dry after this morning. It's going to be comfy tonight at 53. And then look at that, a nice stretch out here. We get back up into the mid to upper 70s. A nice week is ahead, which is good news for fall sports teams. And Friday night looks good for football this week. But next Sunday, again, seems to be our pattern here, looks wet and cool with a high of only 65.
You know, I was okay with a rainy Sunday. I know we need the rain. You've been saying that for weeks, but it forced me to do so much inside the house.
Yeah, and I think we could have a repeat of that again. I agree with you. I think everybody was kind of happy for a rainy Sunday.
Yeah.
Just to kind of catch up a little bit inside.
All right. We'll be right back.